Did you know that thousands of people are making over $100 every single day using nothing but ChatGPT? And the best part? You don't need any special skills to start. In 2025, it's easier than ever. First, let's talk about content freelancing. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are exploding with demand for blogs and articles. You can use ChatGPT to generate high-quality drafts and sell them for a premium price. Second is YouTube automation. Just like this channel, you can use AI to write viral scripts, generate voices, and create videos without ever showing your face. This is a goldmine for passive income. If you want a step-by-step guide on these methods, comment "Start" below and make sure to subscribe to AI Cash Code. Let's build your empire together.